Hi guys, it's Rachel from WTI, and behind me I have the Doc McStuffins Get Better Checkup Clinic. This is such a cute item to have. If you have a child that loves their stuffies or loves animals, my daughter has used this to play vet, believe it or not, with our tiny dogs. It's got all the different accessories. It's fun. She has it set up actually right now next to all her stuffed animals, and she has made it like a clinic. This has really cool things like a sink. It has a book that you can go through to pretend that it's got all the different cures for your animals, tells you what they need with whatever different kind of bobos they have. I like the fact that it has Doc McStuffins right on it. It also has a backboard, so you're able to put all your tools up. It comes with little clips for it. You have your x-ray machine. You have a growing chart. I love that there's a little table, just like a doctor would have or a veterinarian. So it's kind of cool. You can put your things. There is a cabinet underneath to be able to store different things that you need as well. It's cool. It has Band-Aid holder on the door, all different kind of things just to make it fun and make you feel like you are Doc McStuffins taking care of your stuffies. But that's just my point of view.